In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify store URL. This might seem like a straightforward process, but it's essential for a variety of reasons. Whether you're setting up your store, integrating with other platforms, or just need to share your site with customers or colleagues. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can easily find your URL and get on with running your business. First things first, let's head over to Shopify's website. This is your starting point. If you're not already logged in, it's necessary to do so to access your store's backend. You'll see the option to log in on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Now here comes a crucial part. If you have multiple email addresses or accounts, you must select the one associated with your Shopify store. It's common to mix these up if you juggle between personal and business accounts. So take a moment to ensure you're using the correct login details. This will save you a lot of time and potential confusion later on. After successfully logging in, your Shopify admin dashboard will pop up. This is the nerve center of your Shopify operation, where you manage everything from sales and products to analytics and store settings. Speaking of settings, that's where you need to head next. Look for the settings option, usually located at the bottom left of your dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with various options to customize and configure your store. Among these options, you'll want to find and click on domains. This section is where Shopify manages everything related to your store's domain name, the web address customers use to find your online store. This is the heart of our mission today. Once you're in the domains section, you'll see a list of domains associated with your Shopify store. If you've purchased a custom domain through Shopify or transferred one from another provider, it will appear here. Your primary domain is what we're after, as this is the main address where people can find your store online. Click on your primary domain name to proceed. Upon selecting your domain name, you'll be directed to a page detailing your domain settings. Here lies the key piece of information we've been seeking: your Shopify store URL. It's displayed prominently so you can't miss it. This URL is what you'll use to direct customers to your store, share with partners, or integrate with other platforms and services. Now that you have your store URL, you might wonder what's next. There are countless possibilities. You can customize your domain further, set up email forwarding if you have a custom domain, or integrate it with platforms like Facebook or Instagram to sell directly on social media. A few tips to make the most of your Shopify URL. First, if you haven't already, consider acquiring a custom domain if you're using the default. myshopify.com domain. It adds credibility and brand consistency, plus it's easier for customers to remember. Second, ensure that your domain settings are optimized for search engines. Shopify has built-in tools to help with SEO, ensuring your store ranks well in search results. And finally, remember to keep your domain registration information up to date. This is crucial for maintaining ownership of your domain. Shopify makes this easy by sending reminders when it's time to renew. In summary, locating your Shopify store URL is a simple process that's essential for virtually every aspect of your online business. Whether you're customizing your store, integrating with other services, or simply looking to share your store with the world, your URL is your gateway. Keep it handy and make the most of Shopify's powerful tools to grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Shopify experience. Happy selling!